Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dee and this is How Dee Does It. Today we are going all pink using this Ohuhu Polygel I purchased from Amazon, and I hope I'm saying that correctly, but I will leave the link in the description for all the items that I'm using in today's video. So the video will not be too lengthy. I did already prep my nails for the pop-off method, which is why they are shiny. I did go in and select my nail tips and apply them using the base coat that came in the kit. And now I'm just going in with another layer of base coat just to smooth out the surface and give the polygel something to hold on to. And then I'm going to cure the base coat for 30 seconds. The next thing I'm going to do is on my pointer finger, I am going to go underneath this nail and top coat it in clear, because I have a habit of using alcohol and swipe, and sometimes that makes the nail white underneath, and I want it to be as transparent as possible. I am going to use the slip solution that came inside the kit, and it is just my preference to use slip solution over the base gel and the alcohol. It seems to me like it's just easier to work with, and it stays, it doesn't get as sticky as quick as the alcohol, and I don't like the consistency. So along with the polygel, just a couple of other things we're going to do. These nails are going to be super simple. I'm going to be using transfer foil as well as some glitter to do a sugar nail and just a touch of bling. The polygel I'm just going to add in order from lightest to darkest, and we're using all pinks today. So let's get started. So the first thing that I'm going to do is just apply a strip of polygel to the nail, and I'm going to work my way from the bottom basically up to the cuticle area, and I'm going to make sure that I have enough polygel to cover the nail all the way down and all on the sides, and then I will go back up, and if I need to add more to the cuticle area or to the apex, I'll do so. And if I need to freeze it in between, that's okay, because polygel will stick to polygel as long as you don't remove the tacky layer. I wanted to try to make sure that I got this video out in time, so I'm not going to do a lot of talking since I do have to do voiceovers, because if you wanted to try this product, Amazon Day is coming up, and I'm really pushing it because today is July the 10th, the day that I'm doing my edits, and Amazon Prime Day is the 11th and 12th. So I am going to speed up the video just a little bit as I'm doing this application process, and I'm going to play a little music, and I'll be back when I get to the next part. Okay, so I decided I'm just going to show a couple of fingers, so I only show the application of the pinky and the ring finger, but I did want to point out the process of working around in the cuticle area, and to note how you have to change the position of the brush as you are working closer to the cuticle in order to get that polygel more flush to the nail, and so it looks like it is actually coming out and an extension of your natural nail. Alright, so if you have been looking at my videos, then you know I have a love-hate relationship with foils, but I'm going to attempt it today. I'm just going to take the foil gel glue and apply it to the pointer finger. I am going to cure that for 60 seconds. I do allow it to cool for about 5 seconds before I actually go in and start working the foil onto the nail. This has been the best process and it is working so far, knock on wood. So now I'm just going in with my finger and rubbing that transfer gel, and voila, it came off. And then I'm actually going to go in and add some other parts to it because it's still sticky, and that works too. Super excited that foils are not my nemesis anymore. I think using the right product does definitely help. And definitely when you use the foils on the clear background, they work way better than the full color foils. Now that I have that done, the next thing I'm going to do is encapsulate the foil. And this was very easy. The polygel went on and it was actually easier to manipulate than the color polygels were. Again, it was starting to get a little warm, and so the warmer it was in my room, the softer the polygel was. And if it gets too hot, it actually tends to run a little bit. Actually, now that I think about it, that's probably not a bad idea to actually have it a little warm as my skill increases, and that way it'll challenge me to work a little faster with the polygel as if I would be working with acrylic or hard gel. So the next thing that I'm going to do is just add this shiny top coat onto the nails. And this is from Nail Couture. And it just has that gold shimmer in it. It is so beautiful. If you do not have this in your collection, it is a must-have. And if you are like me and like to ball on a budget, just keep checking out their website. I know I've been up there a couple of times and I'm new to using Nail Couture products, but they have had sales from 22 to on up to 30% or more on their products. So be aware of their sales and stock up. The next step that I'm going to do is just add some top coat to the pinky finger, and then I'm going to use the glitter to make a sugar nail. I am going to advise you to be aware of the steps that you complete your nails in. Make sure that you are top coating anything that you do not want to get glitter in or on. That being said, I did remember to go in and top coat the nail that I applied the foil on. Now, to me, these nails are perfect just like this, but I try not to be so basic. And so I am going to go in and add just a couple of rhinestones just to put a little bling on the set. I feel like these nails were very beginner friendly. They were super easy to do. The hardest thing, of course, was working with the polygel, but it was a good polygel, so I can't even complain about that. I give it a 9 out of 10 only because when it got hot, it did run a little bit. And I'm not sure if all polygels do that or just this one had a different formula to it. I think the most satisfying part was actually applying the foil and having it all release, and then also to do the sugar nail. It was so satisfying. If you are in a rush, like I said, the easiest way to add a little pizzazz to your nails, if you don't have time to put the rhinestones on, add a shimmery top coat, add some glitter to it, or add some stickers. It's a quick and easy way to do your nails on the go. If you're still with me to this point, you've made it to the end of the video, and I appreciate you taking the time out of your day to watch my videos. I hope you like the finished set. Again, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. And if you enjoyed the video today, please hit the like button and leave me a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.